Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play music while playing Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically, if you are using your own desktop or computer to play Roblox, the thing isn't as hard as much to play music. So you will need just like to go to YouTube or like to have Spotify, and then you can just like start music, and you will have your music that will be played while you are playing Roblox. But while using your mobile, the music will probably stop while playing Roblox. So basically, we have some solution for you. So either you can have like some earbuds or like headphones for your mobile that can like have some manual control or some sounds control on them implied with them, for example, as uh, the iPhone earbuds, and then while playing Roblox, you will need just like to turn on the music while having your Spotify that will be turned on, and then you will need just like to play the music with the sound control on your earphones or your earbuds, and you will have your music that will start playing. Otherwise, you can just like have a bot in Discord. So basically, you will need just to have your Discord on your mobile, and then you will need just to add your own but and then you can just give him some instructions like play something uh, in the music, and then your bot will start like adding the music. And basically those are like the solution that you can use. So basically this is how you can do to try like listening music while playing Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you next time.